is now Monday, February 3rd, about 9 a.m. I'm just getting ready to head down to the DDE headquarters, go buy a hoodie or so. From there, head to LAX to hopefully pick up Chandel. Last night, her flight got canceled due to weather in Vancouver. They wanted to postpone it till Tuesday, but Leah was able to switch it to a flight leaving this morning in about an hour and 45 minutes, I believe. So hoping that she gets out of that weather and into this weather. Gonna head out and about an hour and 20 minutes away to DDE headquarters. Looking forward to today's video that should be coming out of DDE down at the Willow Racetrack, ripping it up. So yeah, talk to you soon.
Starting route to DDE.
Almost back to DDE headquarters. This time in the rental car. This time they're supposed to be open. Last time I didn't know that they were planning this open for sure. I thought they were actually going to do it. They said something about February 1st, but they ended up doing it January 31st. I am here. Nothing looks open unless the door is unlocked over there. Somehow they got rid of the RVs out front. The merch store was not open at DDE when I got there. It was only about 10:15. So I thought, well, I'll head to the gas station, fill up the car, and head back and see if they're open. I seen the guys were working out back.
At the light, turn
so
left on.
Maybe they just haven't decided to go up front yet, or because there's no people out there other than me just quickly showing up, they haven't bothered to open. I'm not sure. But just heading back now, we will see what is happening. Rundown motorhomes out here is just intense. All right, definitely more people here. All right, guy has opened up. Better late than never. Wheel spacers remind me of a Whistling Diesel show or episode.
Yeah, they're fake.
Yeah, they're nuts. risk for 650 bucks. The kid got a deal.
Yeah. I was down like, yeah, I think the tires on the drift car, the fuel.
Yeah.
That's $400 right away.
Yeah. No, it's awesome.
So shut the down. Come on in a second. Ciao, you guys. As soon as I get to the airport.
Like that when you're Canadian. Road business here. I am near the airport, just over a half an hour early, but there's a good chance I'll probably get lost a few times, so who knows if I'll even be on time. It is super smoggy here. I don't know if it's clouds or smog or what, but as you can see, it's pretty ugly looking. It was pretty cool at Daily Driven Exotics. The guys were all there. Damon actually didn't fly out on Sunday like he thought he was going to on Saturday. Got to meet all the guys there, and a young guy was paying for the experience of driving the track, and he went in the BMW in the back block, and then for a rip in the SVJ. So I got some footage of that. That's obviously in this video. This is pretty cool. I'm pretty sure like we're driving under the airport, like landing takeoff strip. Runway, that's the word. I swore, yeah, this is the runway. We're under the runway. That's crazy. Made it to Long Beach. Just gonna go for a walk and check things out before it gets dark, and then we'll go find some food here behind us. Well, we're on the wrong side of the water to get to the boat, but it's the Queen Mary. Well, that was delicious. We just left the Yard House in Long Beach, LA. Gonna head back to camp, about an hour and 20-minute drive, and get ready to get on the road tomorrow. Beautiful night tonight. It's too chilly to stay outside, so I didn't get any real good footage, but